Took a penance from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. I got the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout.
Alright, yo. I was just talking to my fiance, and I need to take his lead, y'all. This quarantine hair situation is not it, and I'm about to do a tutorial. I wonder if I should turn this sideways. Alright, y'all. It is Deaja Taylor, Kinky Curl 13, or whatever my name is on YouTube, and I am about to revive my hair. Quarantine hair has been a thing. Corona hair, or whatever you want to call it, between me and my fiance. I was just telling him, like, we gotta put your hair in a protective style, and I gotta do the same for mine. It's not just me. I was just fussing at him, but I gotta do the same thing. So I'm about to show y'all how to revive dusty, crusty, damaged looking hair to life. Okay? So, whoo, y'all. We're gonna take out the bonnet. I'm in my cat's room, coincidentally wearing a sweatshirt about cats. My hair is dry, my hair is dusty, and my hair needs some love, and I'm going to, what bug is that? I'm going to be doing my ultimate hair moisture treatment, deep conditioning treatment, shampoo, condition, detangle, and protective styling. 2 days, slowly but surely. So first and foremost, let you guys get a really good look at my hair as I'm getting close to the sun. Look how dusty and crusty and dry my hair looks. Oh my god, she's not cute. I look. So basically I did wash, detangle, all of that, and I had my hair in a bun for a week, which I know better than that. So let me give y'all the back view. Yo, this hair, let's get in the sun. This hair needs some life. Ooh. And the very, very first thing that I do to restore my hair when it's this dry and dusty is I go all the way back to my roots with a Shea butter treatment. If your hair, my cat is so clingy. Oh, she baby. Oh my goodness. If your hair is feeling so freaking dry, beyond like repair, it feels like, the very first thing you need to do is a Shea butter treatment. So what I do is I take the African shea butter that you buy at the hair store, that is that yellow color, and I melt it down into an oil, and I go section by section and put it in my hair, and that will be the very next thing that you see me do. Back in my kitchen, about to melt down this shea butter for my treatment now. I'm making a YouTube video on reviving my hair. So, alright, let's get cracking. The very first thing I'm going to do, oh, this probably smells. Doesn't smell that bad. It's just water, but my cats are over here trying to smell the thing. First thing I'm going to do is get my cake going. The thing I'm going to do is take my bonnet off. And the third thing I'm going to do is put my gloves on. Those are the things that I like to do. Y'all, it's hot. It is hot in here. I think I'm going to turn the fan on because I get hot real quick and I do not like being hot. Separate into two sides, and right now my hair is of course really tangled. It's going to go through multiple processes. This is the very first one And then it's gonna go through a protein treatment, and then it's gonna go through just a regular deep conditioning treatment. Now, do I do this all the time? No. But when my hair has been neglected like this, you do what you got to do. Oh, help me, Jesus. All right. So we're gonna start with the 4 sections. I do this very similar to like if I was putting a perm in my hair. Okay. Take this. Clip this away. We're gonna start with this one side. We got our melted Shea water. Now, is this like cosmetologist approved? No. But I just feel like this is a black product. I'm black. I feel like as a person with African roots, you can never go wrong with shea butter for anything. On your hair, on your face, your life, whatever. Ooh, y'all, I'm so sorry. All right, let's get cracking. Ooh, and it feels so warm. And I'll just do a little at a time to try to not make it as messy as possible. And this Shea, when I tell you this stuff goes such a long way, it does. Because you know that shea oil is thick. Thick, thick, thick. Ooh. My cats are really over here trying to figure out what I got going on. Come on, bring me back the moisture from the roots of my ancestors, Lord. Do not, no. Do not go in front of my camera. Thank you. Add some more. Really getting in there. And then to kick it up, I'm gonna dip it. Look at that. Ooh, Lord. Y'all, this feels amazing. It's like a hot oil treatment. Well, it really is, because the oil is hot. Now, it makes a big mess. It's gonna make a big mess. But y'all, look how my hair is just coming back to life. Because that's what it's been needing is moisture. Let me show y'all. Y'all probably can't see this well. It's coming back though. I need to chill. I'm probably gonna finish all this shea butter. More than likely if I know myself. And of course, I'm about to lose hair because I haven't been doing what I'm supposed to be doing. So my hair real damaged right now. It's not super damaged. It looks worse than it is. That's the weird thing about black hair is like in certain states it could look bad, but that's just, I don't know what that is. Because once you do what you gotta do, tangle it and all that, put the products in, you'll realize that it's really not that bad. Ooh. Ow. I hate putting clips in. Alright. That hurts. Okay. Next, we're gonna come for the front. Ooh. Alrighty. I wouldn't be surprised if my cat runs his water. There's no process. I'm doing this first. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And I'm gonna take it and I'm just my cat is just sitting here watching me like, what are you doing? I don't know, my friend. I could not tell you.
I'm gonna let out this back section and go ahead and start bringing in left together. Ooh. This makes it easier to, once you start getting it all moisturized, to minimize the sections together. You're gonna watch me get progressively more bold. Actually, I think now is a good time for me to stop talking and just speed up what I'm about to do. All right, y'all, I am back. I sat in this all night. That is ultimately what I wanted to do. And now I'm about to shampoo it and get all this Shea moisture off. Just a pro tip: your hair is only going to going to absorb as much as it can, and then once it can't absorb no more, it's just gonna sit on the top of your hair. So now I am about to shampoo all this out. Ooh, Lord. My hair's so hard and stiff because that Shea moisture has. That shea butter has hardened back up, Lord. My hair is itchy. Look how stiff my hair looks. Ooh, look. Alright, so now I am about to shampoo all of this out of my hair. I am back and ready for part 2. Okay. So, first things first, put my gloves on. I just shampooed this out of my hair using my Camille Rose shampoo. And now it is time to put a treatment in. Now I can tell you, after filling my hair, I decided that I don't feel like I need a protein treatment. I feel like I can just go straight into a DC and I will be, if my hair felt like it needed a little more, but I feel like I actually got a little bit of rejuvenation or protein or something or other out of the Shea moisture. So we're just gonna go straight into the DC. And I'm always gonna put my hair in 4 sections. My hair is damp, it's not wet. This is still not the detangle process. BT'd up, so my hair is not perfectly detangled. See, this is what we not finna do. So I'm using my Camille Rose We Dad Rich Infusion Moisture Treatment. I love this. This thing is bomb. And a little really goes a long way. Ooh. Really get that love to the ends of my hair. And honestly, this thing makes my tangles just kind of come out like butter. I remember this is the first one I tried, and I remember thinking like, whoa, this is so bomb. Alright. And now I'm going to add some oil to my hair. This is the Camille Rose Peritita Nectar Repair Hair Oil. I'm going to mostly put this on the ends of my hair. And just losing strands piece by piece. And we're going to do this side, this section, same thing. It's a little bit of smaller section, so I'm going to take less. I'm going to take this much, rub it. I highly recommend deep conditioning your hair once a week. That's what I was doing until life got a little hard. Now I'm about to get back on the ball. Especially since we're in the house, there's really no reason to not, because you can do that while you're working, while you're cleaning, all of the above. Add some oil. I'm going to do a little bit of finger detangling, just a little bit. Try how it works. Yes, I'm going to lose hair because I should have been taking better care of my hair. Also, your hair already sheds. So if you haven't been washing it or anything, let me get closer so y'all can see what I'm doing. Oh. So, I'm actually being pretty gentle. I also prefer to use gloves because my nails don't start ripping out strands of hair. And just start pulling them apart. This thing really makes the tangles start coming out the longer that it sits in. I like to do some. I like to do this to make sure the treatment is touching as much of my hair as possible. And I'm being actually very gentle. Of course, the back of your hair is always going to be the most tangled. So what I'm doing is running my finger through, and then every time I feel a tangle, I put both my fingers there and start slowly trying to work the tangle out. And get out whatever hair is getting stuck. Alright, now I'm starting to feel good. Starting to get a good treatment out of this. It's feeling tamed. Alright, so we're gonna twist this away. And I'm going to do the other side. I'm back. Both sides are done. Whew. Okay. Alright, so now I like to give my hair, scalp some oil with this repair oil. so you can kind of see what my hair is looking like now. And now we do another bun. I have a hairdryer that I sometimes put my hair under, but I really need to start cleaning, so I don't think I am. I think I'm just gonna let this sit. But maybe I should. No, I don't feel like it. Might do it after I finish cleaning. So really quick check-in. I slept in it all night. I just rinsed it out. I realized now I probably should have rinsed it out with cold water, not hot water. But I have to go outside and run because Dorian hates me. So before I come back and do my braids and detangle and style and shower and co-wash and all that, I just needed to get that product out so I can put my hair up and work out. This is what my hair looks like. I don't know if I can show you a little bit better than this. Focus on the hair. This is the back. This is the side. This is the front. Yeah, so now I'm about to like throw it up in a bun so I can go work out, and then I'll finish after. Alright guys, y'all, of course this is gonna seem like a complete video, but if you knew how many days it's been since the last clip I did in this tutorial, you'd be like, girl, yo, we working on consistency this year. Alright, now to the protective style. Whew. So basically my hair isn't the condition it would have been if I would have continued the video. So I did my stuff, and then I slept in it. I rinsed it out, and immediately I was supposed to kind of come back and put some products in, but put some products in. That's not what happened. So I had to put just some conditioner in my hair and let it sit, soften up, let it kind of get, you know, some moisture back in it, rinse it back out. Here we are, and now we're about to do my protective style. Now, my sister Dorian has like a bomb protective style, which is a bunch of individual braids, but because I'm a lazy bitch, it's not happening. So we're doing 2 braids, and the part does not have to be perfect because I ain't going nowhere. Yeah, that looks good to me. Alright, so I'm going to start with my left side. Am I the world's best braider? No. But is this going to be the style for the week? It sure is. So, alright. So, got my favorite detangle brush. Now, I usually detangle in the shower though, just because it's easier to detangle while like there's water, like pressure coming down. It kind of loosens the curls. And then there's conditioner on my hair, makes it easier. So my hair isn't as tangled as it would be. So, the first thing I'm going to do is put some coconut oil. Hey, move. Some coconut oil hair smoothie from Maui, which I really like this brand. And it's going to probably seem like I'm putting a lot of product in, but this is going to be the only product I'm putting in. It's a really nice consistency. It's thick enough where it's not going to fall immediately, but it's not watery, but it's not too thick. It's very creamy. So we're going to go ahead and coat this entire side of my hair. I definitely need a trim. It's usually my time, but we're on this quarantine, so I had to reschedule it. But we're going to get this trim going ASAP. Okay. So, let's go ahead and bust this open. Alright, so start detangling at the bottom. I've spoken on this brush. This is my favorite brush. It gets through the tangles. Does it save your hair strands? Not really, but it gets through. And I don't have time to be worrying about every little strand in my hair. I just don't, because I have a lot of hair. After 27 years, I realized my hair is not falling out, and I'm fine. So I be going with whatever I can to get the tangles through. Okay. So now, I think I'm going to try to do to the scalp, just to make it a little neater and last longer. But again, I'm not like an amazing braider. But let's see if I can do this. Actually, and I don't care if this braid isn't perfect either, because it's a protective style. So. It's so weird braiding and you can't see anything. How's it going, guys? Let me know what's up. How's it looking, guys? Is that a braid? Ugh. Ow. Houston, we have one braid. Oh, God. All right. That's one braid down. What y'all think? Am I bomb? Can I braid? All right. We gonna speed up this other side. Alright, y'all, I'm back. You'll notice that I looked crazy a couple times in this video because one, I realized I forgot to put oil on my left side, and two, I'm not really sure why I braided it like this. Like
this instead of like more down before I did that. So, you know, I was looking kind of crazy. But anyway, I forgot oil, but I'm not braiding it because, again, I'm a lazy bitch. So, we're going to take this. We're just going to rub it on like this and like this. And voila. This is my protective style. Moving. I'm so bad with accents. I don't know why I try.
This is my protective style. This is what I'll be wearing majority of the time while I'm in the house doing nothing. And I can dress this up and down with a hat, some bandanas, hair clips, flowers, whatever. And it's something that I'll probably only have to do once a week.
So, we go, Shea. Alright. Thank you for watching.
Public opinions from private accounts. I'm not a check, then you gotta bounce. I got the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout.